Okay, so here I have my simulation in tinkerCAD. This is like the second time I've recorded this, but I have like 5 minutes right now, and I need to upload this because it takes forever to edit this video. But this is the schematic, and as you can see, the LED is on in this configuration, which it should be. I'm just gonna go like row by row in the truth table. So here's S0, A1, B1. Yeah, here's S0, A1, B1. This should be on. Next is S0, A1, B0. Next is S0, A0, B1. And then S0, A0, B0. All right, next up, S is going 1. Now let's do A1, B1. Now let's do B0. Now let's do A off, but B on. And now, boom. I've wired up the multiplexor to 1 multiplexor. And I've conveniently have the 3 inputs, the selector, green right here, the yellow, which is input A, and B, which is input B. Here we have our LED blinking at 10 Hertz, aka 1 cycle every 0.1 seconds. Now we'll use the selector to select 0.5 Hertz, which is 1 cycle every 2 seconds. We've done this using 2 if statements and the millis function.